Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have loads of boxes behind me. I recently did a massive shop for some camera gear and I'm excited to unbox it with you. So let's just get straight into it. All right, let's start with this one. So actually I'm using the Orbit key organizer tool to open the boxes. I did a video on this, so if you want to know more about Orbit key and what they do, go check out that video. I think these are the Falcon Eyes lights that I bought. This is the packaging it comes in. And yeah, so we needed some new lights just because we are using two soft boxes from Newer, but they stay at a constant light output and temperature. So we can't actually dim or change the amount of light that is coming into the shot. So this is going to be really helpful. This is what comes in the packaging. I might do a unboxing for all of the different things that I open, just so this video isn't super long. So if there's anything that you want me to go into depth in, let me know. But these are the lights. They're not super exciting, but let's open the small one. So I think this is from MPB, where you can buy used camera gear, which is basically, yeah, as it sounds, used camera gear. But you can get things that are basically brand new, people who have bought stuff and then don't actually need it, and they just return it with all the original packaging. So you can get cheaper camera gear, lenses, accessories from there. Yeah, so save you some money. So I bought two Tamron lenses. So I bought two Tamron lenses, the 17 to 28 millimeter 2.8 and the 28 to 75 millimeter 2.8. Two zoom lenses. You might be wondering why two zoom lenses. This one obviously mid-range, great. Just I think everyone kind of needs a standard mid-range zoom. But then I got the wide one just because we're going to be shooting some like interior shots and we need like some super wide lenses. Yeah, so I'm actually really excited about these lenses. One, because I'm not paying £2,000 to buy a Sony lens, and two, from all the reviews that I've seen about Tamron lenses, they just seem like they're great. So I'm excited to test them out. I will definitely be doing some type of review. I'm not a professional photographer or videographer, but I do use them to help with like our agency and just some stuff, some private projects that we do. Okay. This is a big box. Originally I thought the lights were in here, but obviously weren't. Okay, there's a few things. Oh, okay. 1 second. Few things in this box. Extra Sony battery, Z battery, SD card. I got the tough Sony SD card, 128 gig. I believe this is the camera bag I got from Peak Design. It is. Yeah, I should have known because the Peak Design logo is on there. But so I got the small camera cube, which I can put obviously the camera and the lenses in there, and I'll probably be using my Orbit key clip so I can attach it to a bag if I don't want to carry it around or put it in my bag, which goes on like this. Got this just because the camera bag that we use is a bit outdated, a bit chunky. If I do go on to get a bigger camera bag, like a backpack, I can put this in. Next up, the Manfrotto Pro Video Head Flat Base, which is just, it's a fluid head, tripod head. Let me just show you what it is. So I only got the head and not the legs just because I have tripods already, so I didn't need new camera legs. But essentially this will help me get some fluid pan shots and like tilt shots. I'll show you some footage of the one I have now, which is, I don't know why I bought it, but this is a massive upgrade that's gonna help. So this is Adidas obviously and has nothing to do with cameras. I was actually just using this box to prop up all the other stuff. But it does contain the Yeezys that I managed to win via the raffle. So if you're into like sneakers, fashion, all that type of stuff, let me know if you want to see more of those type of videos. I might do an unboxing, and let me know in the comments below. Final box. It's a bit heavy. This is the DJI RSC2 gimbal. Yes, I got a gimbal. The reason I got a gimbal is because I have shot people's proposal videos, I've done stuff for people's birthdays, and I've used a shoulder mount rig thing, insert picture, and that's great, but you can always see footsteps in the footage. So this is basically allow me not to have my like size 12 foot stomps in all of the footage. But then also we're going to be using it to shoot some interior stuff, which you will see soon. So this is actually one of the things I've been most excited about. I've actually been wanting the gimbal for a very long time, and I guess now was the time, or the perfect time for me to actually pick one up. So super excited to get some cool, crazy shots. Just excited to use it really. This, I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, okay, yeah. So this is the charger for the battery that I have, the Sony battery. It has two. This is very cheap. So yeah. By the way, everything I bought I'll put in the description below, so you can pick anything up that you like. I got the Video Micro, which will be perfect for vlogging and just smaller setups. We currently use the Video Pro mic, which is great, and we'll probably be using it for like sit-down talks and maybe like interviews and stuff. But this is very good for run and gun. Got a Peak Design camera strap. Not much to say about it, but they're really good for like quick release and snapping things back onto to your camera. So yeah. And last but not least, Sony A7c. I'm shaking this about like this is an expensive camera. This is the most exciting purchase of them all. I've been using the APS-C, or for those who don't know what that is, a crop body camera since I picked up a camera all those years ago. So graduating to a full frame camera is going to be great. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with this camera, some vlogs on my channel, my wife's channel, and yeah, I'm excited for it. Small body, but full frame. 2020, who would have thought? If you want to see an unboxing of this, let me know. For those who are new to YouTube and want a camera to use and they have a bit of money to spend, I would recommend getting this or the Sony A6600 camera, or any of the A6 lineup. But yeah, so if you want an unboxing, let me know and I'll get to that. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. There's nothing else to unbox. So if you want to see anything in particular, let me know in the comments below and I'll probably do an unboxing video or review about it at some point after I've finished playing around with it. I also need to tidy up because there's a lot of mess around me. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.